Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices, click on the search bars and type and send anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. From this screen here, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to do the same on Nokia. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Samsung and send on Nokia. After that, click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go into photos, select only one and tap on send. Now you need to click got it, and as you can see from here we have the connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and choose receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!